Trump will win, and we're gonna bring it back, motherfucker. Trading loser fucking piece of shit. Yeah, video told me all day long.
What else?
Trump will win, and we're gonna bring it back, motherfuckers.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
Is that
You
it?
fucking no-brain pussy. Fuck you.
Is that it?
That's why they follow me, They think I know the way. Cause I took control of things, all in the solo way. And if you pattern my trend, I make you my protege. Slossing that soldier race. Niggas don't know them days. Take you in back of the buildings, make you expose your rage. Take you